precious girl. You're just small time.
Liberty City is in shock today as the police and emergency services deal with the aftermath of a devastating attack on a police convoy this morning. As yet, no details have been released about the prisoners being transferred in the convoy, and no group has claimed responsibility. The convoy left police headquarters early this morning for a routine transfer of felons to Liberty Penitentiary. The attack took place on the Callahan Bridge, leaving few witnesses and the bridge itself severely damaged. Some of the convicts are thought to have perished in the explosion that followed the initial attack. Revelations as to the professionalism of the attack struck police hours afterward, when identification of the missing felons were further hampered by an attack by computer hackers on police headquarters databases. With the Porter Tunnel project falling behind schedule, this disaster leaves Portland isolated from the rest of the city.
Come on! Señor Dickhead! It's no problem to kill you. You gonna be sorry. Aye, get lost.
I know a place on the edge of the red light district where we can lay low, but my hands are all messed up, so you better drive, brother.
Hello everyone, Crash Bunny Spark 12 aka Dingo Crash here with the Platform King, and today we're going to be starting a Grand Theft Auto 3 100% Let's Play. So yeah.
Yeah. What's up, niggas?
I was thinking about doing this for such a long while, and there you go, we're finally doing this. And yeah, pretty much as I was saying, we're going to be doing this 100%. I will try my best, even though I forgot most things in this fucking game. So I will try my best. Hmm?
Like the hidden packages?
Yeah, that's a great example. We're not gonna get any hidden packages till some point, because we need to get up to a point where we will have to collect them before, whenever you will try to get them from certain areas, enemies will try to attack you while you're doing that.
Yeah.
So, pretty much. And what I've realized on the phone version, the graphics is a lot clearer.
I actually forgot they actually made like a phone version.
Yeah, they made it not a long time ago when they had the Grand Theft Auto 3 anniversary, 10th year anniversary or something.
So of course, then again, you gotta figure though that like you're playing it on a big ass screen on the PC, and on your phone it's like a lot smaller. So.
But the graphics is like, also the animations are, for some reason, a bit improved than the.
Well, they may have had some time to like work with it and like improve it a bit. So.
I wonder how's GTA Vice City for the phone. Probably nice.
Well, you never know.
Also, people, we're going to be starting with both of these missions, which is Give Me Liberty and Luigi's Girls, because that you do, for some reason, two missions at the start.
You can't finish one without completing the other, so, I mean...
Yeah. Alright,
might as well
cutscene.
just do both.
Let's listen to the cutscene.
Wait here, man, while I go in and talk to Luigi.
April's got some business upstairs. Or maybe you could do me a favor. One of my girls needs a ride, so grab a car and pick up Misty from the clinic, then bring her back here. Remember, no one messes with my girls. So keep your hands on the wheel. If you don't mess this up, maybe there'll be more work for you. Now get out of here.
Oh, what a douche. What? Also, this cutscene, whenever it like finishes, sorry, when it finishes this cutscene, it goes to like this picture. Also, this picture is different on the phone version, which is very nice. I like how they made it on the phone version. Actually, it's goldish like that. Now we're going to pick up Misty, which is apparently a million girls.
Yeah. It's just funny how they call it Luigi's Girls, but you like only end up picking up one.
Yeah. And then at some point she goes to freaking what's his name, Joey. Anyways,
He goes to Joey's for a booty call.
Yeah. This game is very the graphics for this game and the buildings were very good made.
Well, it's like you gotta like think that like this was back in 2001, so like people who have been playing it were like used to 2D, and like all of a sudden it's like mind blowing. It's like whoa.
I think that they've tried to make it like GTA 2 because that was the main point of it. Anyways, people, in the next part we're going to be seeing you in the next mission. We're gonna be doing this mission. We're not gonna do this like 3 missions a video. It's just to keep it, organized mission-wise, so it will be a lot easier for people to find a video or a certain mission, other than like going through the video and finding the mission like that has 3 missions in one video.
Yeah,
anyways,
then you like gotta skip through it and shit.
Yep. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we shall see you in the next part. Goodbye.
Yeah.